W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88. Well, it's supposed to be a 43-degree pass out to the west. It's already broke the horizon, but we got mountains. We got a mountain range out there to the west. Two-story houses. There he goes. W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88. Whiskey 1, Foxtrot, Romeo Delta, Charlie Mike 88. W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88 for the ISS. W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88.
Whiskey India 7 Papa WI 7T.
Whiskey India Papa, got you again. W1 FRD. Whiskey India 7 Papa, Whiskey 1, Foxtrot Romeo Delta, Charlie Mike 88.
Whiskey 1 FRD, Whiskey India 7 Papa DN40.
Alright, Whiskey India 7, DM40 is what I heard. This is Whiskey 1, Foxtrot Romeo Delta, Charlie Mike 88. Hello and 73.
Delta November 40.
W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88. This is W1 FRD in Fairfield. Charlie Mike 88 on my 991 Alpha, doing split mode through my stack loops, W1 FRD.
Echo 7, Charlie Yankee Alpha.
Charlie Alpha, I think I heard, W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88.
Whiskey India 7 Papa, Victor Echo 7, Charlie Yankee Alpha, Charlie November 89, QSL.
QSL, Delta November 40.
QSL 73. Charlie November 89, KM6HB.
Whiskey 1, Foxtrot Romeo Delta for CYA, Charlie Mike 88.
Delta Mike 13, KM6HB.
Whiskey 1, Foxtrot Romeo Delta, Charlie Mike 88. W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88. It's HB, I thought. W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88. I guess that'll be all. Alright. I always like it, you know. Keep doing the satellites, love it. W1FRD, please subscribe if you're watching my videos. See lots of views without subscribership. I could use subscribers. W1FRD, thanks.